ready to rumble medieval style in the Vegas. She always want me to stop. Why I got to stop? Why? She's never hung out with me before. I don't know why I have to stop. The show hasn't started. So I'm getting ready. Why do I have to stop? What is that? I can represent. They don't have Mexico here.
There's a lot of food they gotta prepare.
Yeah, I'm gonna be sad. Okay, but anyway, good old fashioned jousting in the castle. Reinas, lobas. Don't make me start on this story. Anyway, and I can still say, but I'm not gonna say it because they don't let us say it anymore. So I'm not gonna say it. This is it. And I'm on the Ireland side. I don't see a Germany. I can do a Germany. I don't want to do it. They say I can do. Oh, see, those Españanas. We don't do Españanas. Hispanic, but no Españanas.
Look, Mom, they got Ireland, Ramona.
And either way, we're still with the Europas. Romania, dear.
Romania, Spain, Austria.
Yeah, I couldn't do Austria, but that would be the Germany. I can do Germany, Ireland, Hungary. These are all the European so-called savage ethnic tribes because Britain tried to do away with all of them. Everybody hates Britain, so we don't ever want to be Britain. I don't see Britain out here. Where's Britain? Britain not representing. Which one is Britain? Do you see a Britain anywhere? Where's Britain? No Britain out here, so nobody likes Britain. Nobody likes the British. Because they're the white slave masters. Okay, don't start me on the history. I was taught my history from my half-breed people. I got that. White on white crime is real. White on white savagery is a real thing, people. Okay, that's all I'm gonna say.